Hey guys, in this video we're going to be installing some under-seat vent deflectors by Mabett. These attach to the useless vents that are under there, provide an extension and point the air upwards. So let's get them installed and check them out. A big thank you to Mabett for providing the product for this video. These vent deflectors are a black ABS plastic material. They come with a left and right, but they're not actually marked, they are the same left and right. It doesn't matter how you install them. There are 6 pieces total, 3 for each side that you snap together. To start off, you're going to want to slide your driver's seat forward as far as it'll go. This will give you as much access to the under seat vent as possible. Grab one of the 2 bottom panels and you'll see that it has a foam piece along the back edge. Feed that under the vent duct. And now you're going to pick up one of the top panels. It also has foam along that back edge. Rest it on top of the ducting. And now go around the edges and clip it together. There are 8 clips altogether, 4 on each side. It's a little bit tricky being as they're 2 separate pieces, but if you hold it just right, you can clamp them together. Now take the front grille, it has a couple of clips on each side, and place it over the face of the vent. It just snaps in place. Here's a quick test. I turned the air on fan speed 7. You can see there's some good airflow coming through. Now bear in mind this doesn't actually increase the airflow, it just pushes it back and up towards the passengers. Sliding the driver's seat back now, I'll show you how much it protrudes into the rear footwell. I'm 6 foot tall and sitting in the back in a typical position. You can see the vent under the seat and it doesn't really intrude. However, I guess you could kick it depending how far you stick your feet underneath the front seat. Moving on to the passenger side, and you're just going to go through the same process again. Slide the lower panel underneath the vent. Lay the upper panel on top of the vent. Put it in place and then clip around the edges. Make sure you push down on all 8 clips. And now you're going to install the grille cover. Again, it just snaps in place. I've got the Lasfit All-Weather Mats installed, and you can see it's got a nice low lip at the front. As you can see, these are a great addition to the back of the Bronco. They extend that vent about another 6 inches and point the air upwards at the passengers. Really makes a difference, and as you can see I did a little airflow test with the little pieces of paper and you could see there was a good amount of air coming through them now. Now, bear in mind, this does not increase the airflow, it just redirects the airflow and actually hits the passengers. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, maybe subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.